Having a highly focused area of interest is a common trait among children on the spectrum. Some parents use special interests as reinforcers. For instance, I could tell my kiddo if he cleaned his room, he could play with Legos. But that doesn't always work. If I'm trying to get him out of the door to go to school, I can't promise him Legos afterwards. He'll be at school. The power card strategy uses a child's special interest to help them learn skills even when their special interest isn't available. You create two things, a narrative and a power card. Here's an example of a narrative for a Lego lover who needs to get out of the house to go to school. It's basically a one-page social story in which the character associated with a special interest displays the skill that you want to teach your child. This is how you introduce the skill to your child and talk about it in advance. You can pause the video now if you want to read the example. Then you also have the power card, a tiny visual reminder of the main points of your social story. Your child can keep it with them if they like, or you can just show it to them when they get off track. Create your own. First, choose a character connected to your child's special interest to include in the social story. Next, write a short narrative about how and why the character would use the skill. Add pictures to make it interesting. Last, create the power card, the tiny little visual reminder of the most important things to remember. Keep it short and sweet. For my own child, I've used Pokemon to teach chores and superheroes to decrease aggression. Next up is anime characters to impart some important preteen life lessons. That's it. I hope you're inspired to try this out, and I hope your kiddo loves it.